Hey guys, welcome to the video. So this weekend I found this prime grade tomahawk steak at the grocery store, and honestly I couldn't pass it up. It's rare that I ever would do a tomahawk, but today we're gonna do it. I'm gonna do it basically reverse sear on this. Because I'm gonna smoke it nice, low and slow with some hickory wood until it hits about probably 100 degrees internal temperature. Then I'll pull it off, and then I'm gonna sear it on the yakitori for a couple minutes each side. If you don't have a yakitori, you can just crank up whatever grill you have and sear it that way. But let's get this thing prepped. Again, like always, I'm gonna do it pretty simple. So let me show you that. Really simple today, guys. Salt, pepper, garlic. That's all you need. Okay guys, I'm gonna let this thing smoke until it hits 100 degrees internal temperature. It could take an hour, hour and a half. We'll find out, but we'll see you in a bit. Okay, we just hit 100 degrees. I'm gonna get some gloves on, pull it off, and we're gonna head over to the yakitori to sear it up. Hang on there. Looking good so far. Looking really good. Real good. Let's put some butter on it. Obviously, if you don't have a yakitori, you can use butter up whatever grill you have. Just crank it up to the highest temperature you can, and give it a good sear. Okay, this guy's almost done. I'm gonna pull this guy off. I'm gonna let it rest for about at least 30 minutes. Let it cool down. It's a big piece of meat. Then we'll cut into it and see how we did. Stay tuned. Okay guys, it's been about 25-30 minutes. You know, I can't wait any longer. This thing smells amazing, looks amazing. Let me cut into it and see how well we did here. This is gonna be money. Wow, damn. Okay guys, turned out phenomenal. We got the nice little hint of hickory in there. Got the salt, the pepper, a little bit of garlic. No complaints here, for sure. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.